Hi,
Hi,
Hannah,
Hannah, Ollie,
Ollie,
Mia,
and Alice.
how are things going? Geez, it's about a week and a half, and then we'll be able to see a couple of you. So, and then
Yep.
not too much longer after that, we'll be able to see everybody. So, hey, that's terrific.
Well, we're in Beaune, France.
Yep.
And we're in a nice little apartment that's got 3 levels, and it's just really a cool little place. It's all to
Yep.
ourselves.
As you can see right behind us too, there's a shade pulled over, and there's a plexiglass thing that is the divider between the kitchen and our room. So, that's
Oh, well, that's my finger.
that way to go, dear.
Sorry.
All right, here we go.
Anyway.
So, yeah, we had a great time today. The bakery is about 30 steps from our front door here. It's great.
So we went to the oven, got our baked goods for breakfast, and
Yeah.
had nice breakfast here.
had fresh made croissants and some French bread, some baguettes, and it was just terrific. And some juice that we bought last night.
And it was fortunate that we did that because then we went on a little 3.5 hour bike hike.
Yeah, yeah,
Through the grape
through the vineyards.
The vineyards. It
Yeah.
was really cool. We thought we'd just go on the nice flat.
Yeah,
Discovered
it's not flat at all.
No, it's
It's
definitely
really rolling.
up and down. So,
Yeah.
but nobody fell down. Nobody
Yeah.
got hurt. That was
Yeah.
good. We wore our bike helmets.
Yeah, and we had a real good time, and everybody got exhausted, and so we came back.
Oh, and we actually went on a little mini wine tasting while we were.
Yeah.
I think we needed a little break on the way
we
back.
needed to get off the bike, is what we needed to do.
So we went on a little mini wine tasting,
Yeah.
and then we hopped on the bikes and came back.
And came back.
Took a nap.
Yeah.
We all needed naps.
Yeah.
And then we had
A
wine
learning
class.
It was really interesting. The gal talked about the different varieties of wine and how they're made here, and the difference between grapes that grow in the middle of the hill and grapes that grow way at the top or way at the bottom on the flats. And it was really interesting.
And then we got to learn about. We did some wine tasting.
And it was more learning than just tasting.
Right. She gave us 5 reds and 5 whites, and we didn't drink everything. We had to dump stuff out, but just to kind of teach us a little bit about the differences and what we're tasting and
about the 3 different kinds of tastes or experiences that you have when you do have a red wine, or the 2 different kinds when you have a white wine, and it was really interesting.
And then,
So,
then we ended up going to dinner after that, and 3 out of 4 of us had the traditional area beef bourguignon, which was really
really
turned
good.
out everybody really enjoyed that, and
Yeah, and we had a couple of great desserts, chocolate mousse and tiramisu, and they were just wonderful. So we're still having a real great time with Don and Julie, and
guess what? We are doing laundry again because it's free here. No coins involved, so
No coins
we're
involved.
catching up here. So.
yeah. We're off. We don't know exactly it's supposed to rain maybe a little bit tomorrow, so we're not exactly sure what's going to happen. But we'll talk to you tomorrow. We
Have a
love you
good night.
guys.
Love you.
Bye.
Bye.